Meditation for beginners. Find a comfortable place to sit, lie, or stand. Just be with your body and breathe. You may close your eyes or bring your gaze low. Notice what's coming up for you, what the body is aware of right now. What are you feeling? Notice how your body is breathing. No judgment, just observation. Focus the breath and release the whole body, while freeing the mind. As thoughts arise, acknowledge the thoughts, then return to the breath. As another thought arises, acknowledge it, then release it, returning to the breath. Check in with the interconnectedness we have with the body, from the inside out. Breathe in through the nose deeply, to the top of the breath. Release the breath and soften. Expel all the air from your lungs until you reach the bottom of the breath. Feel the body breathing. Breathe. Feel the breath. And remember who you are. As you sit, lie, or stand, remember what's beneath you, the layers of us. And surrender the body. Breathe. Feel the body supported by what's beneath it. Feel the breath and become aware of the body. Bring awareness to the feet that support you. Notice your feet and what's beneath them. And soften the feet. Breathe. And relax your feet. Now, soften the ankles and calves. Feel the softness from your feet drawing up the legs, and softening the knees, thighs, and hamstrings. Feel the breath in your legs. Soften the hips, private area, and buttocks. Breathe into the body. Allow the body to soften. Release the belly and notice the lower back and sacrum. Breathe in light and space there. Feel the breath open the mind. Relax the belly and seat area. Notice the change in the sensation in the body as it relaxes. Feel the breath. Soften within. Bring awareness to the organs, intestines, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, kidneys. Feel the torso breathing with fullness, as the heart raises with love and gratitude. Feel the lungs, heart, and the intercostal muscles between your ribs. Soften the muscles between each rib. Soften the spine. Release tension in the back. Soften each vertebrae moving up the spine towards your neck and shoulders. Feel your arms get heavy, as the weight is released from the shoulders. Feel the neck long as the arms draw down. Soften the fingers, release the palms of your hands, soften, breathe. Feel the breath and the body. Release the wrists and forearms. Soften the elbows, biceps, and triceps. Breathe. Feel lightness in your arms. Breathe and soften. Focus the breath and release each part of your body. Breathe. Bring awareness to the throat. Relax and open the throat. Release tension in the jaw and the mouth. Soften the mouth. Release the face and jaw. Bring awareness to the ears. Feel the body breathing. Bring awareness to the eyes. Soften the eyelids and the eyebrows. Feel the breath and soften the mind, the body. Bring awareness to the head, the muscles protecting your skull. Soften the muscles of your head. The breath is a tool to help us soften the body and remember who we are. The breath is a symbol of this movement of interconnectedness. Breathing is the catalyst of the movement within us. Surrender the body. Feel the breath and use your tools to breathe into the higher vibrated self. Feel the body breathing, interconnected, and still. Remember who you are. Remember what's beneath you and surrender to the higher sense of self. We are energy beings vibrating, together in union, in light, interconnected. Deepen the breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale with a soft sound. Repeat this 2 more times. Hold the breath. Hold and then release. Remembering what you stand for, the interconnectedness of us. Thanks for watching.